Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just a little rant at Microsoft here because we were talking about that on a few weeks ago, where Microsoft decided that if you are a subscriber of the Microsoft 365 or Office 365 suite of software, you would get a bonus, which is something that they push. They're not even asking you if you want it or not, but I had talked about this many months ago, but I had uninstalled it from most of my devices. And, well, it came back on its own. Why? Because I am subscribed to Office 365. And, of course, I had to have the Microsoft Defender app pop up, even though I uninstalled it. So, this is something that I understand the idea behind it. I understand that you might want this to be part of your security or whatever, but it'd be really nice if they could just tell you, hey, we've got this that will do this or that, or if you want more information, click this link. Do you want it or not? Rather than, here it is, it's installed and you got it. So, it showed up on all of my machines that I have the Office 365 installed. It's something that I find not that useful. It's, honestly, I talked about it many months ago. It's just a front end to see the status of protection of all the devices on which it's installed. So you install this on your phones, you install this on other computers, and then you got a list of all the devices and if they're protected or not, and everything's all right. So, it's not that the idea is bad, but it's particularly the fact that it's being pushed without you really wanting it that I find a little sad. So, I don't know. Microsoft sometimes, and it tends to maybe make some people wonder, is this the antivirus or not? This is not a antivirus. This is just a front end to tell you that your antivirus and your software and everything seems normal everywhere. You still have the Windows Security app, which is the antivirus and anti-malware. So, it's useful and not. It depends on what you do and how many devices you have, or, it could be useful if you would have devices that are maybe used by kids or by, other types, by people that you're not sure exactly how to really deal with in terms of security. But apart from that, thank you, Microsoft, but I will uninstall it after this video. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.